Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes. We're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close
Hello, guys, and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great in your lives. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 7 simple habits which I adopted and felt a great change in my life. Sometimes these small changes are so impactful that we cannot even imagine how they bring great changes to our overall quality of life. It's a very good idea to spend time thinking about what habits you really want to form and identifying the most important to you. Just writing down your future good habits can also be of a great help. So stay tuned and please like the video if you find these tips helpful. Wake up early in the morning. I usually wake up around 6:30 as a peaceful morning tends to be the most productive time of the day. I feel a great change as I'm able to plan my day ahead and things become much more easier and organized, which reduces stress level to a large extent. I feel more energetic and happy to spend time with myself and enjoy my beautiful morning around. Drinking a lot of water not only keeps me hydrated and refreshed throughout the day, but also helps me to maintain body temperature. My day starts with a glass of warm water and ends with a glass of water. I try to drink minimum 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Earlier, I had to struggle to remember that I have to drink water, but then I started putting alarm to remind me every hour, and it actually helped me a lot. Now I just do it as it's a part of my habit, and I also feel the need for it every time. You can try doing it in the same way if you are struggling to remember that you have to drink your glass of water. We all know that taking tea early in the morning is not a very good habit. Although I have been able to reduce the quantity to a large extent, but still, since I'm a person who loves taking tea in the morning, I have not been able to stop myself from doing that. I have changed my habit of taking early morning tea empty stomach. Instead, I prefer to have handful of nuts or seeds as they have a lot of benefits and they are powerhouse of nutrients and can be consumed daily. I have stopped taking empty stomach tea, which helped me a lot. And rather, I have started preferring for a lot of options, breakfast options such as eggs, Greek yogurts, berries, nuts, oatmeals. I also take these crackers, crackers, which I buy from Trader's Joe, and they are an amazing options and have a very good taste. You can try doing it so. Make your bed early morning. Making bed early in the morning gives me the sense of completing the first task of the day. It gives me a sense of pride and encourages to do another task and another task and another task. Hence, by the end of the day, that one task completed will have turned into many tasks completed. It might be a small accomplishment, but making the bed sets the tone for the entire day. A made bed shows that you care about yourself and your home, and that feeling of being cared for helps to lift your mood and lighten your emotional burden. I even feel, or it makes me feel, happier.
We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down.
Meal planning has been the real game changer in my life. Trust me, it's a great thing to do as it not only saves a lot of our time but also helps us to include a lot of healthy options. We can enjoy a variety of food on our table with minimum wastage, and I feel it has reduced the consumption of unhealthy food to a large extent. Also, the stress of last minute cooking. So, I prefer to plan my week meal a week before. You can try doing it so. And also, my grocery shopping is done accordingly since my list is ready before time. We all know the harmful effects of gadgets in our health. It's tempting to use your phone or computers on bed, but trust me, it's at the expense of your health deterioration. Devices can also interfere with sleep, causing tiredness. Hence, I no more use a phone or device. I try to put it away an hour before or at least 30 minutes before I go to bed. It has really helped me a lot to get better sleep and start a beautiful morning. Take out time to follow your passion. Explore areas that is part of your interest and make a list of things you love to do, such as reading books, watching movies, gardening, travel, as following passion helps us to learn and have a wider prospect towards things in life. Also, new experiences and learning are the key to happiness that makes us much more contented in life. I love reading book, so I make it sure that every day I spend at least 30 minutes to an hour even if I'm busy in my routine. I take out these 30 minutes to spend to learn, to enjoy my passion, and it really makes my day.
Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second
Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video or you find these tips helpful. Take care. Bye bye.